Hello everybody, in this lesson I will discuss another practice example on trig equations general solution. Let's do another example. Find the general solution of, and then I give the equation sin 2a minus cos 2a is equal to 0. And now you will say, but where's the numbers? It works like this. It's very important, and this is a specific sum, and I'm very sure you're going to see this one again. Can you see there's a 2a, the angle, and the angle is 2a. So this method works only when you are dealing with a sin and a cos and your angles are exactly the same. So the first thing you do is you let the minus cos 2a walk across, and then you divide away the cos 2a both sides. Now what happens here on the right hand side is you will say cos 2a goes in itself once and cos 2a goes in itself once. Therefore you end with a sin 2a over a cos 2a is equal to 1. So there's a number for you. And then sin 2a over cos 2a is tan 2a is equal to 1. Now you can work out your reference angle with second function tan 1 equals, and your reference angle or acute angle is 45 degrees. Now you will say, where is tan positive? Tan is positive in the first and the third quadrant. In the first quadrant, remember, whatever your angle was there, 2a, that one goes on the left hand side. So you write 2a is equal to 45 degrees plus k times 180, k element z. Remember, we're dealing with tan, so that should be 180. And now we will solve a, and we will divide everything by 2, even that little period there. And then you end with the general solution in the first quadrant is a is 22,5 degrees plus k times 90 degrees, k element z. In the third quadrant, on the left hand side, there's the 2a. It was this angle that used to live there by tan. And then in the third quadrant, the rule is 180 degrees plus the acute angle plus k times 180, k element z. Now in goes the acute angle, the 45, and you add that. So you end with 2a is 225 degrees plus k times 180, k element z. And now you can divide right through by 2. Therefore, a is 112,5 degrees plus k times 90 degrees, k element z. That's the general solution in the third quadrant. In the next video, I will discuss another practice example on trig equations general solution. Click on the video in the left-hand corner to take you straight to the next lesson.